Hello and welcome to Chapter 1, Introductions and Greetings. Let me introduce myself. My name is Greta. I am from Ireland. I live in Dublin. Now you try. Hi, what's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Great job. Watch this video of two people meeting for the first time. They are speaking formally, meaning they are speaking in a more professional way, like you would in a business meeting. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm great, thanks for asking. What's your name? My name is Rachel. And you? I'm Jane. It's great to meet you. Yes, you too. So, tell me about yourself. Where are you from? I'm from Ireland, but I live in London. What about you? I live in Dublin. Wow, Dublin is a beautiful city. Yes, it is, but the weather is not very good. Oh, that's true. Well, it was nice to meet you. So nice to meet you too. Take care. Bye. Let's practice these phrases. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Thanks for asking. What's your name? It's great to meet you. Yes, you too. Tell me about yourself. Where are you from? That's true. It was nice to meet you. Take care. Great job. Let's watch another video of two friends meeting. They are using informal English. Oh, hi Fiona. How are things? Oh, hey Sarah. Things are great. How about you? Can't complain. Oh, who is your friend? Oh, sorry. This is Kate. Hi there, good to meet you. Yeah, you too. Are you going to Ken's party tonight? Oh yeah, definitely. Great. We'll see you there later on. See you later. Let's practice those phrases. How are things? Things are great. How about you? Can't complain. Oh, who is your friend? This is we'll see you there later on. See you later. Great job. Now let's look at some different ways you can say hello to people. Here are some formal ways to say hello. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? Nice to see you again. Here are some informal ways to say hello. Hi. Hey. What's up? How's it going? How are you doing? Morning, Sam. Afternoon, guys. Evening, Jen. What's new? Any news? What have you been up to? Here are some responses to how are you. Let's start with formal responses. I'm fine, thanks. Very well, thanks. I'm doing great. And now informal responses. Pretty good. Not bad. You can watch these videos for more ways to respond to how are you. Here are some formal ways to say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Take care. It was a pleasure to meet you. Lovely to meet you. Here are some informal ways to say goodbye. Bye. See ya. See you later. See you soon. See you around. See you tomorrow. Great work. I hope this video was helpful. There is a free PDF in the description below so that you can practice everything we have done in this lesson. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you in the next chapter. Bye.